making Burong Mangga. So we have some mangoes here. All you have to do is peel your mangoes. After peeling our mangoes, the next step is to slice our mangoes. If you want to cut them into long strips, that's how I like it. And then put it in water that we boiled and then let cool. Leave it in the water for 1 hour. So now we're gonna make our brine. We're gonna get a saucepan and we're gonna put 2 cups of water. One half cup of white sugar. You can use any sugar that you want. And 1.5 tablespoons of sea salt. So you want to dissolve all the sugar and the salt. And bring your water to a boil. So now that your salt and sugar has dissolved, I'm going to now add chili. You can use sili labuyo. I'm going to be using ladyfingers. And I'm going to put some pepper. And leave that to boil for 5 minutes. It's boiling. The next step is we're going to turn off our heat and allow our brine to cool down. The next step is we're going to drain the water from our mangoes. Let's put it in a strainer. Sterilized. So now I'm going to arrange the mangoes inside the jar. After arranging the mangoes, it should look something like this. The last step is to pour our brine inside the jar, like so. And then refrigerate for 1 day or more, depending on your liking.